On report, demystifying the phrase. Hey there, English learners. Today, we're diving into the phrase, on report. Have you heard of it? By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also know how to use it in your conversations. On report has its roots in institutional settings, such as schools, the military, or workplaces. When someone says a person is on report, it generally means that the person's behavior or performance is being formally monitored or recorded due to some issue or infraction. Imagine a student misbehaving in school. If the school decides to formally document that student's behavior and possibly take further actions if the behavior continues, that student is said to be on report. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples. 1. After the incident in the cafeteria, Jenny was on report for a month. 2. Soldiers who disobey orders might find themselves on report. 3. If you continue to arrive late, you'll be on report with the HR department. In each of these cases, the person on report is under observation and any further misconduct could lead to more severe consequences. Now, some people confuse on report with being reported. While they sound similar, they're not exactly the same. When someone is reported, it means a complaint or issue has been raised about them. Being on report means that after being reported, there's an ongoing formal observation or record keeping about that person's behavior. So there you have it. Now you know what on report means and how to use it in your conversations. Remember, English is full of phrases that can be tricky at first, but with a bit of curiosity and practice, you can master them all. Hope this video has been helpful, and happy learning!